We all are used to keeping our food in the fridge. And in the same way, we keep a list of all the things what we do throughout the day. And nowadays, we depend on computer, technology for almost all the tasks of our daily life. But the way to store information is not changed too much. Imagine in our reality, if we use some paperwork and we want to store it, then we put them into a cover file. And in the same way, we use folder in computer. I am your Arindam sir here, and today we are going to discuss about files and folders. But before going to explain about these files and folders, we have to know one thing in computer, that is called Windows Explorer. Mostly we are using Windows operating system. Here Explorer is a platform through which we can view and manage our files and folders. So what is Explorer? I said it's a program that used to view and manage our files and folders. You can do this very easily. Now we can see this is a Windows Explorer window. Whenever we will open, we can see this. I will show you practically right now, but before it, you just look at this. At its left hand side, you can see a navigation pane. Navigation pane means by using this navigation pane, we can open any drive or folder inside our computer. And the right hand side, there is a big space. What we can see there? Actually display folders or file in the selected folder. Just look, library, that is selected, and within these, what are the contents? Documents, music, pictures, videos. We can see this. So let's start the practical task. So now we are going to learn about Windows Explorer before going to learn these files and folders. First we have to know how we can open it. You can see the start button. You just need to click on it. Then click on all programs. On the top you can see accessories. Click on this, and here you can see Windows Explorer option. Just click on it. Now you can see the Windows Explorer window is on, and as I shown, you can see at the left hand side there is the navigation pane, and the right hand side we can see the display of files and folders where you have selected. Suppose here one more thing we have to know. Here we can see the library. Yes, library. In our real life already we had seen. Why we will use library? To keep our books and files separately, sequentially, that we can, if we want to find out anything, we can easily access it through library. Just like it, here you can see documents, music, pictures, videos. If we keep this type of files inside our computer and we want to access it through a single folder, so Windows Explorer is the best option. And not only this, through this library we can access it very easily. Suppose if we want to access pictures, so all the pictures of our computer we can access it through this picture folder. Clear? Now we are going to learn about files and folder. But before going to learn about files, I will show you how to create a folder, and we have to know what is folder. So what is folder? Folder is a location for organizing and storing files, just like library. Whatever the files we have, we can separate those in folders. Suppose we have few music, so we may create a folder with the name of music, and we can store all of our music files. I'm going to show you how we can create it. So there is a two way. First, again you have to open your Windows Explorer. By using your navigation pen, you have to choose where you want to create this folder. Okay, so suppose I choose desktop, and here we want to create a folder. So just look at this. Here you can see a new folder option. Click on it. A new folder will create on your place, on your selected place where you choose or where you want to create this. So now by default the name you can see as new folder, but this name you can change. I'm going to show you. Suppose, as I told you, I want to set this name as music. So type it from your keyboard, music, and press enter or click at the blank area. Now your folder is ready to store files. Just like a library, within music you can choose your musics and store inside this folder. Now I'm going to show you which are files. But before going to explain about this file, we have to know what is file. So what is file? It's a collection of data and information. Look, here I have created one folder as a music. Now if we store some music inside it, or maybe some images, or maybe some other files, keep it inside this folder, then all of those music, all of those videos, all of those pictures, what we will store inside this folder, those all are called files. Now let me show you. So now here already I have created few folders. I'm going to open one of them. I'm going to open one of those folders. So just look. Whenever I will open, you can see all the things inside this folder. You can see few images here, or the pictures. So these all pictures are called files, and these all are collected, and it is collected inside a folder. So these are files, and these files we can store within a folder. So I hope all the things are clear to you. No more today. So take care, stay home. Still the pandemic is going on for this virus, and stay safe. Please don't go outside. Bye bye for today. See you soon in the next video.